Hey everyone, this is Misty with Nerd News Social, and we are at CES with Effa. They do some recycling toothbrushes and razors now.
Yes.
Tell us a little more about how your product works.
My name is Dasha and I'm the CEO of Effa. So our dream and our biggest goal is to replace all of the plastic disposables in multiple industries. And we have started with a toothbrush because everybody sleeps, eats and brushes their teeth every day. And people don't think about the fact that actually any toothbrush that you ever used in your life has not been recycled. So they are still staying on the planet. So we've created Effa. The body of the toothbrush is made of sugarcane paper and the head is made of nylon. You separate the head from the body after being used after 30 days of using and throw them to different bins for recycling. Now we came up with a second product, which is paper razor, which is recycled. It is recycled in the same way. And we're working with multiple distributors in different countries. We're here at the CES to meet new distributors in the US and different countries as well. And we're looking for expand.
That's awesome. I really love the idea that you can recycle the different parts out. The bodies aren't sitting around somewhere in a dump or just piling up more and more. And this is great for travel. This would be great for amenities in a hotel. What about the everyday consumer? Where could they go to get these for themselves for their home?
Yeah. So right now we have started our retail sales in Ukraine. We have signed up a contract with the biggest retailer. And we're looking for distributors in the US to get to the same way because we want to bring sustainable products outside of a niche so they will be available for every shop you go. They will be trendy, well designed, and people will buy them because they are beautiful and they are sustainable.
That's really awesome. I am looking forward to seeing these in the next hotel stay that I have to take on our trips here, there, and everywhere. And thank you so very much. Thank you for spending some time with us, checking out this product, and we'll see you in the next video.